Hello guys, welcome to my channel and easy one. So as you can see on my phone screen, you can see the amount of deposit which I've received from online investment platforms. So all these deposits showing on the screen are from the investment platform which I partake into, and these are my daily returns which I have earned from those websites. So in this video, I'll be talking about a new website which was just launched not too long ago, and you can just get started in investing some USDT on that website for you to earn some daily returns. So in order for us to get started with that website, all I need from you guys is to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So this is the website which I'm talking about, Rock Strategy. So this is a new investment website. For you to get started with this, all you need to do is to go ahead and click the link in the description of my video or the comment section, and it will bring you to an interface like this. So what you need to do is to go ahead and sign up using your email and your password to get started with this website. So after signing up with your email and also your password, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on where it says get started. So as you can see that this is the home screen, this is how the website looks like, and you can see this is a Rock Strategy whereby you have to invest some USDT and earn some daily returns from it. So in order for you to start earning from this website, all you need to do is to go ahead and go for the strategy plan. So they have different plan in which you can go for. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on where it says strategic holdings. So once you click on it, you are going to see all the holdings which they have. So you can see that this is the first holding, that is the cross-chain arbitrage. And this particular holding, what you need to do to invest is just minimum of 5 USDT. And as you can see that this is okay. So you can go ahead, you can afford 5 USDT to get started with this website. Remember I said that this website is just a new website. So it was just launched one day ago. So you can see for the second one is choice of stable chain. What the minimum you can invest is 10 USDT. They have the third plan which is 100 USDT. So you can go ahead and click on all of them, so you can do it to check for the one you can go for. And for me, I'm going for that of the cross-chain investment. So you can see that I've already made some deposits on this website. So what you need to do to get started, in order for you to deposit, what you need to do is go ahead and click on where it says recharge. So once you click on recharge, so they have different methods of deposit. They have the one of the BEP20, TRC20, TRS, and BNB. But the one I would advise you to go for is that of the BEP20, because BEP20 does not require any gas fee. So you can do it to go for the BEP20 and recharge minimum of 5 USDT. Remember, the minimum you can recharge here is 5 USDT. And once you recharge the 5 USDT, you'll be earning some daily returns from it. You can see that the daily return which you earn from it is about 3.62 to 4.86% every day. You can see, and this will only last for just 7 days. So in just 7 days, this is the amount in which you are going to claim. That is about 100 to 667% of the money you invest. And not only that, you are going to withdraw both your profit and your investment, so you can do it to do your own research. But first, remember that this is not a financial advice, so you can do it to deposit the minimum you can afford. So I will not advise you to go ahead and deposit all your capital. Deposit what you can afford. So for me, I'm going for that of the 7 days. That is this 5 USDT. You can see that the max investment I can deposit is just 100. It's between 5 to 100 USDT. So I remember I've deposited some 15 USDT to the website. So let me go ahead and place the amount which I want to deposit. Let me click on where it says invest. So you can see that I've successfully invested on this website. So let me click on dashboard. So if I click on dashboard, you can see where it says current investment. So these are what I invested. So by tomorrow, so I'll start receiving my daily income about 3.62 to 4.87% of what I invested. And this is what you need to do in order for you to get started. So I'm going to show you the free way in which you need to be earning without you depositing from this website. And there are 2 ways in which you can do that. If you scroll down to this website, so you can see where it says daily check-in. All you need to do is go ahead and be coming every day to check in, and go ahead and click on check-in. So you can see where it says completed. The thing have just arrived. And the second way in which you must you need to earn is through what I would call referrals. So once you click on referrals, you can do where to go ahead and copy your referral link. Once your referrals deposit some USDT, you are going to earn some percentage for it. These are the two ways in which you can earn without you depositing to this website. So that's what you need to do to get started with this website. You can, and also once you start earning some of your income, your daily income, what you need to do is go ahead and click on where it says withdrawal. So this withdrawal section, click on where it says withdrawal. Just go ahead and click your withdrawal BEP20 withdrawal address, then the amount in which you want to withdraw, and your security password, and then click on where it says confirm. Once you click on confirm, you are going to receive your earning to the wallet in which you withdraw to. And remember, this is a new website, so you can do where to go ahead. So as you are watching this video right now, do where to hop in right now, because this is a new investment website, and this is what I have for you guys. So if you find this video helpful, all I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. Peace out.